Every weekend I say, nope, no gardening this weekend, just maintenance, water, pull some weeds if need be. Well, here I am. It's Saturday and I'm back in my car going plant shopping, tree shopping, flower shopping. I don't know what I'm going to get shopping. So come along and let's do some shopping for the garden. So today I thought I'm going to stop at all three of the closest garden centers to my home. So the one is just strictly a garden center, and they've already got mums out. I know, like, if you're in different parts of the country, you're like, yeah, no kidding, it's August. But I guess I'm just surprised because it's only 101 degrees out and it just doesn't feel like fall. So let's go oh my goodness, let's go see what they have. My thought process right now is I'm looking for some trees, and I'm looking for like any of your fruit trees, like peach tree, apple tree, eggplant tree. Also a crepe myrtle. I'm looking for one that has white flowers. I did see on the sign they have hardy hibiscus, so that might be something interesting to give a try too. But here's to stop one of three. Let's go. I got some nice little things. I didn't expect to get this, but I spent a total, let's see, total of $50.89. I purchased 2 lantanas, 4 zinnias. Oh no, I purchased 3 lantanas, 4 zinnias, and a papaya tree. Ooh, it is, I think it's like 101 degrees. I don't know. Once it hits a certain point, hot is hot. Just like when it's cold, it's cold. So yeah, I came home with some pretty little things. Well, I'm not even home yet. So at this point, here's what I'm looking for. Now I'm looking for a nice pot and some soil, so I can plant the majority of everything I got in this big pot. Let's go to our stop number 2 of 3 next. All right, I've been sitting in this car enjoying the AC. It's time to get out and let's go see what we can find here at Home Depot. I always think about like going with a certain color theme in my garden, but then I never can decide which I want because I love colors so much. And I'm like, no, let's stick to terracotta. And then I thought I would try the sweet southern cherry plant. I've never seen this before, so let's give that one a try. Stop number 2, Home Depot. Can you believe I went to Home Depot? Like, I don't know why I don't go to Home Depot. Usually my go-to is Lowe's. Like every weekend, Lowe's. So, hey, Home Depot, I ventured out and came shopping by you today. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4 different things. I spent $74.29. My last stop is gonna be at Lowe's. I really don't know what I need at Lowe's because I just got everything at Home Depot, but Lowe's, you know, I can't pass you up this weekend. So here I come. I feel like I gotta psych myself up to like, you could do it. You had enough air conditioning in the car. Let's go back out shopping in the heat. It's only 100 degrees. Ugh. Sometimes I question like, why? Like, it's 100 degrees, you're sweating, you're hot, you get tired, and then like you work so hard, you're sore for the next couple of days. I don't know. I guess I love gardening so much, so much that I gotta do it. I don't care what the temperature is. I love to do it. Maybe, never mind. See, like it's 100 degrees. Okay, let's get out of the car, turn it off, go to Lowe's, and see what we can find. Go figure, I'm back to the terracotta pots. And I guess I purchased 2. And I spent $100.75. And you're like, what did you get? I got lots of seeds, lots of garden seeds, from peas, celery, zucchini, zinnias, sweet corn, carrots, beans, those marigolds. And then I bought 2 14-inch clay pots. Soil, I bought 3 bags of soil. And then a Gatorade because I was thirsty. So hey, we're gonna get back home, take a little break out of this heat. And my husband's taking me out for pizza tonight. So yeah, I love pizza. Anyways, I hope you hit that subscribe button, follow my journey, and my next video is definitely going to be getting all this stuff planted. So hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Bye.